Hello everyone, it's Janine here with my assistant's dog Pugsley laying next to me. So today I thought we'd have a go at doing some Zentangle inspired art. Now I've done some Zentangle videos on my channel before, but if this is your first time coming across Zentangle, Zentangle is how I describe as adult doodling. Now Zentangle has some fairly strict rules, but I tend to make up my own patterns, and we'll talk more about that later. So I'm using what's a 3x3 inch, what's called a tile in Zentangle, but it's basically just a piece of card that's 3 inches by 3 inches. And then, as you can see there, I used a pencil to draw what's called a string. And basically, a string is just where you take your pencil for a walk and basically draw a piece of string as if it's just laid down on your piece of paper, and make sure it creates different sections, as you can see I've got there. So then you have different sections to basically doodle into. So now I'm using a fine liner pen to do my doodles, and as I mentioned earlier, Zentangle has different rules. Basically, there are certain patterns that are Zentangle patterns, and you're supposed to use a certain size pen and this certain size paper that I'm using today, and different things like that. But basically what I'm doing is Zentangle inspired art, and I enjoy making up my own patterns and doodles, and I find doodling very therapeutic and relaxing, and I hope you have a go and find the same thing. So yeah, I just kind of make it up as I go along. At the start you saw some other patterns that I made up that may inspire you, so feel free to go back to the beginning and pause it to give you some different ideas of different patterns. But yeah, basically this tile is just an abstract little doodle that I'm doing, and I'm just kind of letting the shapes that I created with my string at the start help me decide what I want to doodle. And as you can see, with some of the doodles I've actually like doodled along the line of the string, so I've got like some kind of leafy viney design going along my string just there that hopefully you can see. So yeah, I do all sorts of kind of different patterns. This one is just some different length lines. I'm making sure I change the lengths to make it more interesting, and then just adding dots on the end. I've got kind of a little mazy sort of pattern there where I've kind of inspired by a maze, and I've just kind of taken my pen for a walk and done this kind of mazy shapes. I've got brick wall inspired pattern. I like doing this one. I just add different lines in different places. It kind of looks maybe like some crumpled paper or some shattered glass or something. So yeah, I personally find this very relaxing and good just to kind of stop stressing about whatever I'm sort of thinking about and just give my brain some time to relax, which I think we all need, and is what I'm trying to promote through my videos, some positive mental well-being. So I hope that you're finding that helpful through my videos, and I will link somewhere some of my other Zentangle videos to give you some more ideas of Zentangle. What I have often do, and I've done in some other videos, is where I have an outline of a shape. I think on my channel I've done a moon before, and then I've divided the moon into different sections and then doodled within that. So there's different ways of doing it, but this is more of an abstract one where we've done the string. So I just thought I'd give you a different ideas with it, as there's so much that can be done with Zentangled inspired art, and there's a lot around on the internet. But I hope this inspires you and is something a little bit different and my take on it. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of other creative videos too. And here we have the finished little tile. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and give some doodling Zentangle inspired art a go. Till next time, bye for now.